Hey, how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. So I want to bring you some new information that just came out that might make a big difference with your next car purchase. If you're planning to purchase a vehicle, within this year, this might make you want to buy a little bit faster than just waiting around and seeing how things go. Because we know things are so uncertain. I mean, you have tariffs that are going to go into effect that'll raise the MSRP of many cars across different manufacturers, and you have different policies that are getting taken in place that are reducing the amount of credits. So let me go ahead and share exactly what I'm referring to, and it might help with your next car purchase. So like I said, buying a car is a big purchase, especially nowadays with cars costing so much money. So any help you can get kind of makes a big difference. So I wanted to share what just came out. So if you're looking to buy a car this year, this could change if you buy one sooner or you wait altogether. So we know that there's been a lot of change going on as far as there's tariffs being put in place that are going to change the MSRP pretty soon. I think a lot of those will take effect next year. But you'll see the base price across the board get more expensive, and it could be $3,000 to $4,000 easy, which makes a difference. Cars are so expensive already. Add another $3,000 or $4,000 to it. But this one in particular has to do with EVs. So if you guys are in the market for a EV and you're kind of wanting to see how things go, there's been that $7,500 federal tax credit. Kind of an incentive. So if you buy one, you get $7,500 off as a tax credit when you file your taxes. And that can make a big difference depending on what's going on with your certain circumstance. But again, that's a incentive for a lot of people to get one now. And we know it's supposed to go to the end of the year, but this just came out that with the president killing off the federal EV tax credit, it was supposed to go till December. So it'll give you the rest of the year that you can make a decision and buy one and still qualify for that EV tax credit. But just announced is it actually ends on September 30th of this year. And that's taking delivery of it by September 30th. So not even putting like a deposit down. If you have to actually take delivery of the vehicle by September 30th of 2025. So like I said, that's 3 months earlier than it was supposed to be. So if you're kind of on the fence, and a lot of people use that as, you get $7,500 tax credit back, is a little incentive, and maybe that will sway your decision buying one or not, but now it's moved up. So if you do it after September, anytime in October on, it's no more. The tax credit, you will not qualify for that. So like I said, it could make a difference if you're waiting. If you're going to get one anyway, and you're kind of made up your mind, I would definitely get one before September 30th, because why not? Why leave $7,500 on the table? That will help you as far as being a tax credit. And here's a list of all the vehicles that qualify for the EV tax credit. So if you're kind of looking for electric vehicle, here are the ones that you could buy that'll qualify for the $7,500 tax credit. So you see right off the bat, the Acura ZDX is on there, and then you go down and you got the Honda Prologue. So quite a bit. I don't think that's all of them, but it's the ones that qualify for it. So if you're in the market for one of these and you're just not positive, that could help you make your decision. So again, I just wanted to bring that to your attention, just because, like I said, if you're kind of leaning toward that, getting an EV, just the way gas prices and all that stuff are, knowing that you only have a few more months before that ends, it might make you want to buy one sooner than later instead of waiting and get one in November and not taking advantage of that $7,500 tax credit. So again, I just wanted to keep you guys informed, and this just came out about a week ago. So it is a big change. Like I said, since it was supposed to go through the end of the year, that was what they originally announced. Now they changed it to September 30th. So kind of shorten it up there. So again, just want to keep you guys in the loop. Everyone's having a great day out there, staying safe. I appreciate all of you, as always. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.